Let's saute onions, then to be followed by garlics. And then may konting sahog na one flake chicken I removed from chicken curry because I cooked yesterday chicken curry. Then I have this organic spinach, extra yesterday I cooked also this fried spinach. And also this cabbage, I have also extra. So bago masira, lulutuin ko na lang. Then I have this string beans and carrots. I have this one also extra when I cook. I think before 4 days ago when I cook lomi. This one cabbage and carrots. So I have little more. So better I will cook now para hindi masira. Just saute and I put only soy sauce and salt. No magic sarap or bitsin or China salt or Ajinomoto. Kasi dito wala naman gumagamit dito ng China salt, yung bitsin ba, Ajinomoto o kaya magic sarap. Kung may magbigay na galing ng ibang bansa, lalo sa Dubai, so may gagamitin ako na magic sarap. Pero kung wala na, ubos na, wala, lang, asin. Tapos, nagluluto naman ako ng dinengdeng. So, yung aking may bagoong isda ako. Kailang wala na yung aking bagoong isda. Kunti na lang yun. One time na lang ako na magluluto ng dinengdeng. Kasi kahapon nagluto din ako ng dinengdeng. So, ngayon, naman gisa. Now, we can put now this one flake chicken. And also this beans and carrots. I already cook rice outside after I cook this mungo beans curry. And then this salad also, onions and tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. And then this one, mungo beans curry. This is Pakistani dish. Outside also I cook this one. And this one I cook for me. I will put eggplant. No, sorry. This bitter gourd leaves. So igigisa ko lang ito. But today I will not cook this one because I cook this one. So tomorrow I will cook this one. So this is for our lunch. And also dinner until tomorrow lunch, this one. And also for me. And morning time I cook fried rice with 1 egg, fried egg. So until now 3 o'clock I think. Until now I'm still full. So maybe around 4 o'clock or 5 p.m. my lunch. So just I will cook this one for my dinner. If they like this one, they will eat also. But I'm sure they will not eat this one because I cook already mungo beans curry for them. So we'll put now this one also cabbage. And then this one, spinach, last I will put this one. Now we have to cover. After I will put soy sauce also and salt. I already put also this spinach. Now we have to put now this soy sauce. Soy sauce ng Pakistan. Masarap sana yung silver swan ba. Yan, lang wala naman dito. Yan. Kunting sabaw. Tama na itong sabaw niya. Simple na gisado. Mixed vegetables. String beans, cabbage, carrots, and spinach na may konting sahog. So, ready na ito. Gusto ko yung half cook lang. So, turn off ko na itong flame. Luto na. Yung yung lasa niya, katamtaman lang. Konti lang yung nilagay kong asin. This is my extra for morning breakfast, fried rice. Pero ayan, hindi pa ako gutom. 4:16 PM na. Pag rice talaga ang kakainin ko sa umaga, hindi ako magugutom kaagad. Pero yung yung chapati o kaya with tea lang, yun bang lagi akong nagugutom. Tapos yung tiyan ko parang kinakabag ba yun? Ano ba yun? Hindi ako nabubusog talaga pag yung chapati o kaya paratha. Pero hindi na ako kumakain ng paratha matagal na. Kasi nga sa may maintenance kasi ako sa BP. So hindi na ako kumakain ng paratha. Saka yung mga mamantika ba. Kaya pag nagluluto ako, mild lang yung spicy at saka mantika. At saka isa din, meron din akong gastric. So, mahirap talaga magpagutom kasi kung nalilipasan ako ng gutom, sumusumbong yung aking ulcer, kaya dapat on time talaga yung aking kain para hindi magutuman ba. So, hindi pa rin ako nakaramdam ng gutom for 4:20 PM na. Pag nagutom na ako, saka na ako kakain. Meron akong extra pa na fried rice, tapos nagluto na ako ng pang lunch at saka dinner namin. So, nakasave ako ng gasol. Kasi kung dito ako magluluto sa sa stove ay mauubos kaagad ang aking gasol. Yang mahal pa naman ng gasol. So, ito. Mamaya ko na ito tikman. Kunti lang yung sabaw, katamtaman lang, bisado ba.